Oh, oh.
Hi everyone, I'm Tristan Dashmura from Rwanda. I want you to help me with this one. I want everyone to clap to this with me, okay? You want me, okay? Bakaza igurira amatarata, nuzuke tupira, nuzuke tupira, ibizayo byanjye bizaya amata, amaza igurira utungo tw'amata, nuzuke tupira, nuzuke tupira, musange yasanga imbeba, We're going to do it again, okay? I tried to put, the book is published in our local language, I tried to put it in English, and if you can read the English, you can try to help me, it's not that difficult, okay? Okay, I called it My Kitty Cat, written and illustrated by Sebastian. Okay, finally, we go. Kitty, kitty cat has eyes. Mama will buy her eyeglasses. With beautiful shoes, And kitty cat has ears. Mama will buy her ear medicine. With beautiful shoes, My kitty cat has teeth. Mama will buy her breast. With beautiful shoes, My kitty cat now is fine. In the house, she made the mouse. They big friends, As you know, look at the picture what it is. This is a song book for toddlers, kids from 2 to 3 years, and it's a fun book. And so it teaches very fast eyes, ears, and the basic, and it helps connecting the parents or a teacher or someone in the garden. And thank you very much.
That's the first musical pitch we've ever had. I'm super happy.
Contact.
Okay, and
Like all the other SHVIP fellows, Piston will be around at the book fair.